morning, most amazing artist.
Good morning,
You are going to make a butterfly that's symmetrical, the same on both sides, so you have to make your butterfly on the fold. When you put the fold on like this, right here, you make sure you fold it, and then we're going to start the butterfly with a rainbow right here. So go pick a color and go up, 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 up like this. With a rainbow, it's kind of like a little bit of a rainbow shape. See that? If I turn it this way, that's what kind of shape we're making. You can pick any color you want and make your rainbow shape. Next thing we're gonna do is make a little rounded part here to round it back like this. Oh, on the fold, sweetie. On the folded part. Then we're gonna come in with a U shape.
You did
like this. And then we're gonna go back around with a loop-de-loo. And that's the top wing, but a butterfly has more than one wing. He has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to make the other one right here.
Yeah, butterflies do have 4.
Yeah. Now the next step is you can make the 4th wing one of these shapes. Let me show you your choices. You can make it a U. You could make it a drop shape, which is like a V at the top or an A at the top. If you look this way, it's like an upside down V with a U. Or you can make it kind of like 4-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I make you.
You pick which one you want, and then you put that shape right here. If you need to practice it on the side, remember we're gonna cut it out. So you already went. You can practice it on this side if you want.
Lily has to go.
Next step you're gonna do is you're gonna design your butterfly. If you like making this shape, the teardrop shape that was a U with an A at the top, that's a really nice shape for right here. So I'm gonna make the pointy part and the round part. Maybe I'm just gonna do 2 here, and then I'm gonna do a big one right here. You don't have to design yours like me. You can make it however you want. You can see different options with circles and drops. That's okay. You can draw it. If you have a spot up here and a spot here, let me see yours. Can you fit another one on there? Oh, it looks really pretty though. You can take this half, and he's not going to use all this half, and then you can have that half for yours. Walking feet. I would like to have some little circles and big circles. So here's a big one, and here's a little one, a big one, and a little one, and then maybe a little one right here. I don't want to do too much because remember the challenge part, we have to make the other side exactly the same. Let's put a little drop. Yes, you can. And let's do some little circles. You can do it differently if you want. Now let's color this side to be how we want it to be. You don't have to color yours like mine. You can color it like yours. Your idea. Like maybe you don't like yellow. Maybe you like orange and you want to do orange instead. You could do that. I'm going to put some yellow in these circles because I'm feeling like doing a yellow and blue butterfly. You're going to take it home with you today, so you don't have to put your name on it. You can put it right in your backpack.
Can she do black?
What?
Can we make it do black?
Yes.
We need to markers because we only have color.
You can get as many as you need, sweetie. Marker managers, if you need to go back to your table and get more markers, you can. You can add another color, or you could leave it this way. Maybe you want it to be white. I think I'm gonna have a white one, so I'm not gonna color the inside. Is that okay to have a white butterfly? Here's the important part. When you cut out your butterfly, you have to cut both sides. Everybody say both sides.
Both sides.
I'm not just gonna cut this one, I'm gonna keep it folded. And I'm gonna cut on the line like this.
Can you cut it?
First, I can just cut out the big shape.
Miss Lau.
When I cut, look, it's kind of like an alligator. I put my thumb here and my 2 fingers here, and I go chomp, 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 chomp.
You need to help him because he's
Chomp, chomp, chomp. Which hand am I moving? The hand with the scissors or the hand with the paper? The hand with the paper. No, look, watch. Look closely. The hand with the paper is the one moving. That's a little trick to cut better. All right, I don't need this anymore. What do I do with my trash? Do I leave it on the table? We're going to throw it away. Now, remember I said you had a challenge part? Your challenge is, can you match this side on this side? Can you make a mirror reflection? So I did 2 drops here. 1, 2, thank you for throwing that away. And 2, I did a big drop here, remember that? And then I did a little drop inside. I did 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3.
Look, I can cut.
Good job, you can cut, yeah.
Can we color this part? Yeah.
And then small, small, small. If you want yours to be more like a monarch butterfly, you could do orange and black.
Can I color this part?
Yeah, you can color that part. Like this one.
Yeah,
If you wanted it to be like a monarch butterfly, if you wanted it to be like a fairy tale butterfly from your own imagination, you can use all different kinds of colors. I am making one that has some of my favorite colors. Blue, white, and yellow are my favorite colors. If you want to do your favorite colors, raise your hand if you want to tell me what your favorite colors are. What are your 3 favorites?
Purple, yellow, and pink.
Ooh, those are good ones. What are your 3 favorite?
I just like all the colors in the rainbow.
All of them. So you could do a rainbow butterfly. What about you?
Favorite color is black, red, and white.
Oh, wow. That's cool. What are your 3 favorites?
Blue, dark blue, and light blue.
I love it. I'm going to get some more favorites, but before I do that, I want to show you. You can add his head, his abdomen, and his thorax, and his antennas. And do you know on this part, he has 3 legs on this side and 3 legs on that side. What's 3 plus 3?
6.
6. Did you notice I also have a line around the outside on this side, so I need to match that on this side. Raise your hand if you would like to tell me your somebody else tell me your 3 favorites. Yes.
Red, blue, Can I call on somebody?
Red, blue, and which one? Pink. Good ones. Nope. You got to be sitting down working and work hard, and then I'll call on you. What are your 3?
Blue, and purple.
Those are good ones.
Red, black, and blue.
Wow, I cannot wait to see these butterflies.
Well, I think I have one more favorite color.
Red, blue, and it's like this color. I forgot what it's called.